In this short video, we're going to go over how to find synonyms for your vocabulary journal. We're going to be using thesaurus.com, an online thesaurus, to find these synonyms. So we start here at our ESL 28 homepage. We scroll down, go to course reference websites. Once we're in course reference websites, we can find the thesaurus.com thesaurus right here. Click on the link. And we're going to actually look for synonyms for the word analysis. So we're going to type in analysis. And search. And we are going to come up with a list of synonyms. So we have the main word here that we looked up, analysis. And the most common synonyms are going to be right here in orange color at the top, examination and determination. We also can find some more synonyms here. We want to focus on these synonyms that are in the dark orange color because these synonyms are more common. So we can say that the 5 most common synonyms of analysis are examination, determination, inquiry, investigation, and reasoning. These other synonyms here that are in the lighter orange, they're not as common, or they're very common for specific fields such as biology or chemistry. So when you complete your vocabulary journal, you want to use the first couple of synonyms up here and then 2 or 3 of the synonyms in this list down here.